Hello everyone? Is your diesel engine struggling to start, especially in cold weather? Or maybe your check engine light is on, and you're seeing excessive white smoke from the exhaust? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0681 Cylinder 11 glow plug circuit open, this means your engine's glow plug system has an issue in cylinder 11. In this video, I'll explain what P0681 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0681 Trouble Code stands for Cylinder 11 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Diesel engines require glow plugs to preheat the cylinders for smooth cold starts. Each cylinder has its own glow plug, which is controlled by the Glow Plug Control Module. If the Powertrain Control Module detects an open circuit or malfunction in the Cylinder 11 glow plug circuit, it triggers P0681, leading to starting issues, rough idling, and increased emissions. Check engine light on hard starting in cold conditions, rough idling or engine misfires, excessive white smoke from exhaust, decreased fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0681. To diagnose P0681, check these components. Cylinder 11 glow plug. Location: installed directly into cylinder 11, typically on the cylinder head. Function: heats up to aid in cold starts. A faulty glow plug won't generate enough heat. Glow plug control module. Location: usually mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: controls the glow plugs by sending power to each cylinder's plug. Powertrain Control Module. Location: typically near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors glow plug performance and triggers the check engine light if a fault is detected. Glow plug relay. Location: inside the fuse box or near the engine. Function: supplies power to the glow plugs. A faulty relay can prevent power from reaching the glow plugs. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the PCM, GPCM, and glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. If damaged, it can cause an open circuit error. Common causes of P0681 faulty cylinder 11 glow plug. If it's burnt out or damaged, it won't heat properly. Defective glow plug control module, GPCM. If the module fails, it won't send power to the glow plug. Wiring issues, corroded or broken wires. Open circuits in the glow plug wiring can trigger P0681, blown glow plug fuse or relay. A faulty relay or fuse will prevent power from reaching the glow plugs. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, malfunction. In rare cases, a PCM failure can cause this code. How to fix P0681? Step 1, scan for additional codes. If other glow plug codes appear, multiple glow plugs may be faulty. Step 2, test the cylinder 11 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance, replace if faulty. Step 3, inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, broken wires, or loose connections. Step 4, check the glow plug relay and fuse. If damaged, replace them to restore power to the circuit. Step 5, test the glow plug control module, GPCM. If it's malfunctioning, it won't properly manage the glow plugs. Step 6, clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0681 can lead to starting problems, poor fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. Fixing it ensures your diesel engine runs smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0616, starter relay circuit low. P0617, starter relay circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.